Hello, this is Jeremy with AlumiTank. I'm a supervisor at AlumiTank. What we did today is we dropped 3 different tanks in 3 different positions. The purpose of the drop test is to verify the integrity of the structure of the tank, the workmanship of the tank, all the way down to the welds, the fittings, the threads in the fittings, all have to handle being dropped from 30 feet onto a non-forgiving surface, which is a 1-inch thick steel plate on top of concrete. It is mandated by the government. It's supposed to simulate an impact. The first one was a 26-inch Peterbilt. We dropped it at a diagonal onto the end cap to check the integrity of the weld structure of the end cap, and it passed. The second one was a 23-inch Freightliner that we had worked on a new fill neck, and we needed to verify that. So we put the fill neck directly at the bottom, filled it up 95% capacity of water, dropped it right onto it, and verified the integrity of the fill neck passed. No leaks on that one as well. The third one was a in-the-frame bus mount. Same thing, filled it up with 95% capacity, picked it up, dropped it on its end cap at about a 45-degree angle to verify a robot weld that was performed on the end cap. Quality and safety is number one to AlumiTank, so it was very important for the tank to hold together. And every time we come up with a new design, a new fill neck, a new weld, we try to drop them to verify the integrity of the build. It's very rewarding to get something from concept to on paper, build it, and then lift it 30 feet in the air, fill it with water, and drop it, and it passed like it was supposed to. Just a big thud, and this time it was a good test.